Welcome to this video, where we will be discussing why Amazon failed in China. Amazon, one of the world's largest online retailers, made a concerted effort to enter the Chinese market in 2004, but was unable to establish a strong foothold and eventually withdrew in 2019. Despite its global success and reputation, Amazon's experience in China serves as a valuable lesson for companies looking to expand into foreign markets. In this video, we will examine the various reasons behind Amazon's failure in China, including market competition, logistics and delivery challenges, cultural and linguistic barriers, and government regulations and protectionism. By the end of this video, you will have a deeper understanding of the complexities of doing business in China and the lessons that can be learned from Amazon's experience. Market competition. One of the main reasons behind Amazon's failure in China was the highly competitive e-commerce market dominated by local players such as Alibaba and JD.com. These companies had already established a strong market position and loyal customer base, which made it difficult for Amazon to compete. Additionally, Amazon's business model of offering a wide range of products at low prices did not align with Chinese consumers' preferences for personalized service and high-end products. As a result, Amazon struggled to gain market share and failed to establish a strong brand identity in China. Logistics and delivery. Another significant challenge that Amazon faced in China was the country's complex logistics and delivery system. Local players such as Alibaba and JD.com had a head start in building strong logistics networks that enabled them to offer faster and more reliable delivery services. Amazon's delivery times and service quality were not up to par compared to local competitors, which resulted in dissatisfied customers and a negative reputation. Additionally, the high cost of shipping and infrastructure development made it challenging for Amazon to compete on price and offer free shipping, which is a key component of its business model. As a result, Amazon struggled to keep up with the pace of the local market and was unable to establish a competitive advantage. Cultural and linguistic barriers. Amazon also struggled to understand and adapt to the local Chinese market due to cultural and linguistic barriers. The company's Western-centric approach did not resonate with Chinese consumers, who have different preferences and expectations when it comes to e-commerce. For example, Chinese consumers prioritize social interactions and personalized service, which was not a focus of Amazon's business model. Additionally, Amazon's English-language website and advertising materials made it difficult for Chinese consumers to navigate the site and understand the products, leading to a lack of trust and loyalty. Government regulations and protectionism. Another major challenge that Amazon faced in China was the country's government regulations and policies aimed at protecting local businesses. The Chinese government imposed various restrictions and requirements on foreign companies, such as data localization and censorship laws, which made it difficult for Amazon to operate in the country. Additionally, the government supported and protected local players such as Alibaba and JD.com, which gave them an advantage over Amazon. As a result, Amazon faced significant challenges in complying with local regulations and competing with local players, which ultimately led to its failure in the Chinese market. In conclusion, Amazon's failure in China was the result of a combination of factors, including intense market competition, logistical and delivery challenges, cultural and linguistic barriers, and government regulations and protectionism. The highly competitive e-commerce market dominated by local players such as Alibaba and JD.com made it difficult for Amazon to establish a strong brand identity and gain market share. Amazon also struggled to keep up with the pace of the local market due to complex logistics and delivery systems and cultural and linguistic differences. Moreover, the Chinese government's policies aimed at protecting local businesses and restricting foreign companies made it challenging for Amazon to operate in the country. In the end, while Amazon may have failed in China, the company's global success and reputation cannot be denied. The lessons learned from Amazon's experience in China can help other companies succeed in new and challenging markets around the world.